Hi, you guys might be asked to do a counterclaim, and so I'm just going to go through real quick what that looks like. On this template, it is not, so it's not on this template, but the counterclaim would go after your body paragraph, so you can just tab down and start it here, but I'm going to look at the other template to show you how to go about and write a counterclaim. So essentially, a counterclaim is basically you saying, you know what, I know that somebody else might have a different opinion than me. Like, I'm not blind to that fact. And in fact, the reason why counterclaims came to be is because it was the belief that if you're truly an intelligent person, or if you have, that kind of smarts, that you understand that you are not going to agree with everybody, or not everybody's going to agree with you, that there is going to be an opposing viewpoint. So for this, what you're going to do for the counterclaim is you're going to find a transition word or phrase that says that, basically, that shows the reader that you're going to do a counterclaim. So it says something about in opposition to, or consequently, or something like that. What you can use, which I've given you guys right here, is some people might say, or some people might believe. So if I was doing my paper on racial injustice, then I might say, some people believe that political division is the world's biggest problem, period. And that's all that I would say in this first box, or the first sentence of the counterclaim. The second box, or second sentence, would be why they are wrong. So again, here's my example. Even though even though political division is a problem, it is not the biggest problem because the election is over, or some reason why it's not as big of an issue, because it's an issue. Then you're not going to fool anybody by saying, no, everything's good in that area. So find a reason why that could be something to bring up. The last sentence of the counterclaim is basically why you're right. So tie it back to your thesis. Racial injustice is the world's biggest problem because, and then go from there. Okay, so that's what a counterclaim looks like. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know.